So it's Puzzle Swap Day here in LA, and I just arrived at the venue. This is the only regular Puzzle Swap event in Los Angeles I know of. It's run by the Puzzle Republic. They're over there. I'll go over and say hi in a minute, but let's check it out. Sounds pretty cool. Let's see some colorful ones. Game of Thrones. That's a pretty one over there. Puzzle seems exchanging is over. Maybe they came from me. Ooh, I like the pink and purple one, but that would take me a while. Cute puzzles. Some animals. That one's calling my name. Tempting. That's a 3,000 Ravensburger. That would be a project.
I appreciate it. I'll take it. It's so nice.
Some seasonal Halloween ones. Ooh, some glow in the darks. Kids puzzles.
Oh, sorry. She's in charge.
Let's see what we have here. Ooh, true self. Collages. Ooh, that book one is tempting. Needlepoint. Lots of cool puzzles here. It's a great way to find puzzles that you wouldn't normally come across.
The DC for the Star Trek. I guess it was.
Some Christmas ones. They're still setting up here.
I will.
So we're getting there. We're making some.
Here's some colorful ones. Some of these look familiar. I'm pretty sure I've traded with this person before.
How's it going, dude?
And here's the Puzzle Republic merch table. They have a cool blanket and sweaters. I might have to get something.
What about that? I mean,
This is what I want to do.
oh, the 3D part, yeah.
Maybe I should leave my puzzles here if I don't want to take them back. So I just bought a puzzle sweater from Puzzle Republic. Designed by the lovely Jessica.
Along with this and this.
It's perfect for December, at least for the season. And they have a whole bunch of merch, but you'll have to go online to buy the rest of their merch. Good ticket time.
Good luck!
Thank you. Here we go. Here's my number. Thank you.
All right, everybody, we're going to do the raffle now. Thanks for coming out. I hope you guys got some good
It's a reflection on her.
swaps today.
Like that, right?
Yeah. Hi!
If this is your first time here, expect the next swap to be in 3 months from now. So just look out on the internets for those announcements.
Yeah. If you haven't stopped by already, we are selling some of our merchandise that we have overstock of. So this is kind of a one-time thing. We won't be doing it every time. So if there is something you see that you like, please come check it out. We also have some leggings, pajamas, t-shirts, tank tops, and whatnot back here. So you're welcome to rummage through as well.
All designed by Jessica.
All designed by yours truly. And we've got our new winter collection. So we have only a few items of them here, but we've got it all online, so you can scan the QR code if you want to check out the shop. Yeah, and then these are our raffle prizes.
But before we do that, there's a blanket over here for free puzzles. You can take anything that's there without trading, or leave anything that you don't want, and we'll take care of it in our puzzle library that's behind us over there. So yeah, we're gonna give away 4 puzzles today. You can choose first come, first serve. Go ahead.
Okay, first one is 395.
Winner.
179. 179. Check your number. No way. What?
Wow! Ringer!
Wait a minute, this is going on here.
There you go.
Nice. Nice.
So close.
Whoa, that's a manifestation there.
Tell me about it.
Pick a puzzle, any
Giving
puzzle.
it up to you.
What's the lottery ticket? Yeah, you need to go buy a lotto ticket. All right. Okay, Tim, you pick our next one.
395-179 again.
Oh, yeah.
175.
Nice.
Very good.
And something for the dog.
Well, I've got
This one has a dog, so I gotta be this one. Yeah.
All right. Please choose. Oh, hold up. Yeah.
Hold on, this is not the right one.
Oh, we got to swap.
Sorry, I thought that was the sound.
Okay, so 395-186.
Nice.
Come back. Where's your ticket?
You gotta give your ticket, prove it, Drew.
Okay, now you choose the last one. Read it.
395-194.
194.
Right,
There you go. Woohoo!
your first one.
Yeah, you're just sitting in one.
About time. All right, everybody. Thank you. You can still swap.
Yeah.
And we can all put
Right.
them down.
Thank you guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, all the things.
So I'm not leaving much, just 3 puzzles, but that's okay because I've been buying a lot lately. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and till next time, happy puzzling.